friends, welcome to Tech Solutions. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Today I will show you a nice little movie where we will be comparing two different sales representatives, how they have done over the period using the motion chart. So let's see. First of all, let's check the data. So let's understand the data we are going to use for motion chart. We have order date, sales representative and cell. We will use these three dimensions and we will compare how two or more than two representatives made the cell during the different time of the year using the motion chart. Let's use our Excel file as our data source. It has all our columns. Order date, sales representative and cell. Let's go to sheet 1. Let's add cell on our sheet by double clicking. Now let's visualize the distribution using the date dimension, which is our order date. Let's change our date dimension to continuous month instead of discrete year. So if you don't know what is the difference between continuous and discrete, we will create another video where we will explain in detail what is the difference between these two. Now you can see the cell over the period for a different year, for a different months. Now let's compare this cell between different sales representatives. So pull the cell representative into the color palette. Let's filter this for a couple of representatives. Either you can filter it from using this filter option, or you can drag and drop a representative into the filters. So let's take Bill and Matt. Now we have two lines, one for Bill, another is for Matt. In order to make this chart as a motion chart, we should use the date dimension and drag and drop into the page cell. Make it to the same level of details as our existing column shelf. So it's continuous month. Now you can see we have two small dots, which is actually a starting point of our motion chart because it is showing the first month data, January 2016. Instead of these small circles, let's change it to square. It's a little bit visible. And you see the play button here, just press it. Now you can see these two dots are advanced month by month, and where you can compare the data for the same month for two different representatives, Bill and Matt. To make it more impactful, let's show history and show all, so that we can see all the how it is moving. Then show trail. You can show both, like trail and the dots. Let's show trail, and format of the line is dotted. And now set our page to the initial month and let's play. It's a nice little movie where you can compare the data, and it's a nice way of comparing two different data for two different months. It's a nice way of almost like watching a movie of how the cell is changing over the period instead of watching all the result at once. It is little more impactful, and this is all made possible by page itself, which allows us to set the level of detail how we want to allow the chart advance by. So that's it from today's tutorial, friends. If you haven't still subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon and share our videos. Keep exploring Tableau until we meet next time. Thank you.